Hello, I am John Myron Alano, and I am discussing XML integration and web service integration. What is XML integration? An XML integration is basically a connector that acts as a translator between customers and suppliers, allowing different formats or programming language, usually XML, to be compatible. This way, the information from a hotel provider, a rent-a-car, an airline, a railway company, or a shipping company is available in the website of an online travel agency, even if they have the database's information differently structured. XML integration allows centralized inventory management, increased distribution channels, and lastly, personal savings. What is web service integration? Emergence of cloud computing, software as service, service-oriented architecture or SOA, and adaptable standards in open source development have changed the way enterprises establish application infrastructure and approach enterprises application integration or EAI. New advances in object generation methods have changed the landscape of application to application or A2A and business to business B2B implementations and customizations. With separation between A2A and B2B disappearing, enterprises look at A2A and B2B as two sides of the same coin and trying to find solutions that support both scenarios without compromising security or business process efficiency. Differences between XML and web services integration. API and web service serve as a mean of communication. The only difference is that a web service facilitates interaction between two machines over a network. An API acts as an interface between two different applications so that they can communicate with each other. An API is a method by which the third-party vendors can write programs that interface easily with other programs. A web service designed to have an interface that is depicted in a machine processable format usually specified in Web Service Description Language or WSDL. Typically, HTTP is the most commonly used protocol for communication. Web service also uses SOAP, REST, and XML RPC as a means of communication. API may use means of communication to initiate interaction between applications. For example, the system calls are invoked using interrupts by the Linux kernel API. Importance of XML integration and web service integration. Both are accessed through HTTP, HTTPS to enable communication between services providers and customers. Both call a function, process data, and receive a response. Modernized web services have changed the digital landscape with evolved system integration and interoperability. Before, advancements to web services are limited, burdensome. Integration prevented streamlined data exchange among various technologies, formats, vendors, and B2B operations. Now, web services offer a level of modern functionality and less complexity. So that's all. Thank you.